The jungle. She's a deceptive old slag. What minxie she is with all the sunny trees and colourful flowers.
Come on in,
She says.
have a little picnic. Let the kiddies run about. Why, it's quite lovely, ain't it? Hearing me viney tangles.
Oh, she's a seductive girl, all right. But this ain't no place for no picnic. For beneath her tardy visage, there lurks a beast, most foul. Down in them viney tangles, an ancient evil slithers across the jungle floor. Man's great adversary since before the dawn of time. From out of the misty history he comes, wiggling over earth primeval, looking to claim his next victim. They call him Old Half-Step. 'Cause if he gets his teeth in you, half a step later you flop to the ground, dead as a doorpost. On this episode of Bloody Nature, with me, Dale Attenborough, we venture into the wilds of darkest Africa to stare straight into the beady eyes of pure evil and see who blinks. It's a deadly game with an outcome no man can predict. 'Cause when it comes to nature, it ain't survival of the fittest. Oh no. It's survival of the biggest. The cruelest. The meanest bloke on the block. In it. Bloody nature.